Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need reliable reproduction first. Open the exact Archicad build and reproduce the issue in a minimal project. This isolates variables fast. Once reproduced, save a clean copy and enable verbose logging and preferences. Export the logbook and error report immediately and gather BI McCloud or Teamwork backups if used. Make sure to note steps, selections, and exact tool settings. These details are what developers will need to replicate and diagnose the fault. Now isolate the root cause systematically. Disable third-party add-ons and custom libraries, then test with the default template. If the bug disappears, reintroduce assets one by one. Try targeted fixes, replace problematic objects, rebuild the layer, or regenerate the view. This reveals whether data corruption or a rendering routine is at fault. Use model check, collision detection, and attribute manager to validate integrity. Once you see improvement, document exactly which change fixed it, so you can reproduce and finalize the solution. Implement the permanent correction and verify thoroughly. Update libraries, apply the patch, or perform the cleanup you tested, then check every view, layout, section, and exported IFC or PDF to confirm no regressions. Once stable, save a clean version backup and communicate the fix to stakeholders. If the issue persists, prepare a concise bug report including reproduction steps, logs, sample file, and system info. Attach screen captures. Troubleshooting tip: clear the local cache and rebuild indexes before retesting. That often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.